welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to show you this. We're going to do a paint kiss pour. You're going to see how I fail and I fix and I have a success. Here we go. Hi guys. I'm going to try my hand at another paint kiss pour. I don't know what I'm thinking. But all my paints are from Primal Flow. I've got Sunshine, Shimmering Black, Ink and Gold, and Glam Red. And I think the last time I did this, I went too fast. I moved too fast. This time, I'm going to go slow. Let's put yellow next to the red. Then gold. Then black. Well, this one is better than the last one. I'll say that. I like the very bold lines. This is interesting. This is too muddy for me. Too muddy. I'm just thinking, I got a balloon. I've never done this before. I think I need a sip of coffee. Bolster my nerves. I'm scared, guys. I'm gonna do it. I just don't know. Best wrist action. Well, I just touched us a little bit. Oh, that didn't turn out. We're just making a mess now. All right, so let's just practice then. Oofta. I don't know what I was thinking. Muddy paint is going to give you muddy flowers. We're going again. You know what? I just had an idea. I'm liking this so far. But instead of tipping it any further, I'm going to get my spinner out. Good idea, guys? We'll see. We'll find out. All right, let me take care of these cups and I will be right back. We're ready. Okay, I love this. I'm liking that. This is boring. Okay. So I love this better than I do this. So let's take it off now and tip. See if we can get some lines going. I'm happy with that. So a pink kiss pour turned into fail balloon spinning tipping. Let's see, where's my torch? I really don't want any cell action. I just want to pop bubbles, but I'm getting cell action. Let's go for a close-up. Love those lines. All right, so I'm gonna say I succeeded at a pink kiss pour. Took me 2 attempts, but I'm liking it. Let me know what you think. Thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you for liking and subscribing and sharing. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel grow. And we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.